President Uhuru Kenyatta has mounted pressure on government agencies and players in the private sector to utilize local innovations before going global. This comes as frustration mounts on young innovators to get the products into the market, leaving them at a disadvantage with a multitude of challenges ranging from funding to product absorption. The government now wants a more structured approach to enhance the local IT market. Abiagina has the details.
The country's technology sector is at a tipping point. The sector is among key areas that have been registering sporadic growth over the years, fueled by an increasing appetite for latest technologies.
So what next? Your Excellency, as you are here today, a great deal has been done to create what has become known as the Silicon Savannah. But there are still significant gaps in our approach that are holding back the ability of our local developers to make it to the top global list, such as fast companies. By harnessing the capabilities of both private and public sectors, we can formalize innovation ecosystems and make it a key driver of our economy.
We have positioned Kenya as an ICT destination of choice for most of the players in this sector. At the same time, we are looking at ways and means of ensuring that it's not just talk, but actually we go ahead and see ICT making a difference in our lives.
And now the president wants some drastic action to be taken to help grow budding techpreneurs.
We have spent billions of shillings, billions over the years, importing various systems, 90% of them which don't work and lie idle in offices here. You know it as well as I do. Paying huge amounts in license fees. And yet the same is available right here and we cannot support our own people. You know, it's actually something that we need to really look at and consider. Huh? The forensic apps that we saw, why can we not have them working with our police? Why are our police looking for imported solutions and yet the solution is right here? Let us support, and that way we grow their industry, we get them known, they will be exporting to those countries where we import from. The app for students who are deaf. Why can they not work in conjunction with our Ministry of Education? Why do we need to look for other solutions and we have our own?
We at the ICT Authority have very clear marching orders to ensure that it's not all talk, but we actually grab these opportunities and ensure that we work towards transforming this sector for the good of the livelihood of all of us.
I think from me, and I want to direct Bwana Yinda and you yourself, Fred, put these people in touch with our ministries. Let our monies be used to support our industries as opposed to buying products from outside. Let us be the bridge that helps them, and then private sector can move in the background. But we as government should take the lead. Yeah? Government procurement must be used to facilitate and to develop our own industries, our own innovators first. If we didn't have the capacity, that would be another matter. But we have seen them there working. So we have the capacity. So why do we need to look outside when we have it ourselves?
According to tech developers, the absorption rate of locally developed applications is considerably low. A good number of firms rely on off-the-shelf applications from established brands, which has slowed down the growth of homegrown tech solutions.
Technology, instead of existing as a peripheral value add, has the potential to cross-sector change and to transform lives and the communities in line with our digital Kenya promise.
Well, the launch of the ICT Forum was characterized by a huge attendance by various innovators just trying to showcase what they have to offer. But the underlying theme around innovation in Kenya is still riddled with issues of poor funding, which innovators hope that the government will be able to tackle moving forward.
I think the second thing is also to ensure that we have adequate funding.
Young innovators in the country have been making inroads in as far as development of mobile and web-based applications is concerned. The rise of the local industry is estimated to see the total contribution of the ICT sector rise to well over 8% to the country's GDP. Although significant strides are being made on the technology front, basic facilities such as incubation hubs are still not enough in the country, which inhibits creativity.
Innovators today who will have impressed
For
us.
developers now, it will be more of developing pocket-friendly applications which can easily sell to the typical small and medium-sized enterprises, even as they look forward to clinching the attention of blue-chip companies in the future. Abiagina, KTN Business.